In this video here, we are going to be learning about supplementary angles, or angles that when joined together make a straight line. So in order to do that, we are first going to look at a right angle. If you're familiar with right angles, usually they are annotated with this little square in the bottom corner there. And hopefully most of us should know that a right angle is 90 degrees. All right, a right angle is 90 degrees. Well, let's imagine that I put another right angle right next to it, right on the other side here. If I put another right angle right on the other side here, and again, a right angle is also, again, 90 degrees. Well, now I have two right angles next to each other. I have this right angle, which I can call X, and this right angle, which I can call Y. And we can see that X plus Y equals, well, that's going to be 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 is going to be 180. So X plus Y equals 180. All right, and we can see that this whole angle here now is 180 degrees, or a straight line is 180 degrees, and that is going to be true for all straight lines. And we can now say X and Y are supplementary angles. That's literally what the definition of supplementary angles means, is that given two angles, if their sum equals 180 degrees, then they are supplementary angles. And again, if two angles together make a straight line, then they are supplementary angles. So let's look at another example here. Again, I'm given a straight line, and then I'm going to put just one line through it. So now I have two angles here of, again, X and Y. And we can use this new knowledge in some sort of problems. That, let's say we are given one of these angles here, or we're given this angle is 135 degrees, and we want to know what is the value of X. Well, again, we know that this is a straight line, so we know that these two angles here are going to be supplementary, meaning that they are going to equal 180 together. So this is going to be X plus 135 is going to equal 180 degrees. So we can just use some basic algebra here to solve this. I will subtract 135 from both sides of the equation here. All right, 135. These will cancel out. And then that's just going to leave me with X equals 180 minus 35. That's going to be 45. So this angle over here is 45 degrees. All right, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all we need to know about supplementary angles. We just need to remember that the total angle degrees, total number of degrees of a straight line is 180. And when we have two angles that add up to 180, we call those two angles supplementary angles. All right, these are X and Y in this case are supplementary angles.